name is Dean Kilcommons. I'm the Service Administration Manager here at Levanta, and I've been with the company 5 years in September. Very quickly, fell in love with the company and the type of work we do and the people that work here. You know, there's a family mentality here at Levanta, and I embrace that pretty quickly. You know, I think one memory that sticks with me is just the type of environment that Levanta offers and the overall feel that I've had for the last 5 years. You know, just the family mentality. Like I came to this country without really knowing anyone. I didn't have any family here. I basically had my partner when I came here, and I feel as if I've nearly found a family away from home here at Levanta. Like, I've become quite close with a lot of the people who work here, a lot of the people in this country who I'd call friends. I either work with now or I met at Levanta previously, and they've since moved on.